Bryan here from Chilling Out and Trident Cryotherapy. Today I want to talk about evolution. First of all, privacy. Gone are the days of multiple dressing rooms, asking your clients to gather in a lobby in compromising situations, whether it be in a robe or a bathing suit or a sports bra. And they won't tell you this, but that's uncomfortable for them. It's a bunch of strangers standing around getting ready to do something that for most people is very nerve-wracking. The first thing people ask me is it safe? Of course it's safe. I've been doing this with my studios for 5 years. I've recommended it to all 30 of my customers that have bought various machines from me. We've had 0 reported incidences. Compare it to a sauna. We've been getting into saunas unsupervised since the beginning of time. I will argue till the day I'm dead that getting in a sauna is much more dangerous than getting into an electric cryotherapy chamber. Look, if your customer wants to be supervised or feels uncomfortable about the therapy alone, by all means, offer supervision. But we've been offering privacy to our customers at Chilling Out now for about 5 years, and we've noticed that we don't lose people just mysteriously. No customer is going to tell you that they don't like being walked around or put on display. They will never say that. They'll just stop showing up. Also, another advantage is staffing impact. If you're adding cryotherapy to an already existing business, you don't want to have to add another employee just to run the machine. You will find that you'll operate it similar to a tanning salon. You'll walk them in, you'll show them the equipment that you're supposed to be using and what to wear, and then you'll leave them alone in the room. After a client's been here once or twice, you no longer have to do that. You check them into the front desk, very similar to a tanning salon. All we need to do as an industry is continue to explore new ideas and new concepts. The moment we stop, if we did that, we'd still be doing ice baths and none of us would be in a cryotherapy chamber. As usual, I'm Ask Anything, Anytime. I provide my personal cell phone number. I don't need any money from you. If you want to call and get information on anything involving the cryotherapy industry, it's all free. I love talking about this stuff.